Okay, I'm on the hunt for the next coffee shop. Let's go look for it. Didn't actually fancy it that much actually, so I think I might go for another plan. Although I do see somewhere here that does butter beer. You know what? I'm gonna go and try and find the Hanoi coffee station instead. That's supposed to be a good place. Let's go and give that a try. Okay, here we are, Hanoi coffee station. A little bit difficult to find. Looks like anything that's good is in Hanoi. But here we go, let's give it a try.
Good.
Great.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. I'm Sarb. What's your name?
My name is Ricky.
Ricky?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ricky.
Yeah.
I'm going to sit down and have a coffee if that's all right.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. Just starting out, and this coffee reviews thing is going to be the thing I'm going to be doing.
Coffee is amazing.
Oh, great. Thank you.
For the egg coffee, here we try to make it very different.
Yeah.
And the most place here, they have egg coffee. But the main problem, they use a lot of not like condensed milk or sugar, make it very, very sweet.
Yeah.
And here we have new recipe. We have coconut syrup and honey.
Right.
The reason why when you drink, it less smell of egg, not eggy. To make egg coffee, so you need something like the egg is 1 chicken egg and some honey and coconut syrup I put inside, and about half spoon of honey and 1 spoon of coconut syrup. Yeah. So chicken ingredient here and 1 blender if you want to have a good one. This one. So you start to break the egg first.
So just the egg yolk, right?
Yeah.
Or the whole thing?
Actually, you take the main part is like egg yolk, and then you take a little bit the white color and make it creamier.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and then you add your ingredient here together, and then you start to blend it about 3 to 5 minutes until
5 minutes. Wow.
until it's very, very creamy. Okay, and after a few minutes, so you can see your egg would be like this one, very creamy, very fluffy. And after that, I take a shot of espresso. It's the way we make egg coffee in Vietnam.
Look, there's more upstairs.
Like a dessert.
I've had too many of these though. It's
Yeah.
Oh, that's smooth. A real smooth, caramelly kind of like taste to it inside. Oh, it's great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll make sure you're going to hear about it so you can come over and visit too. Sweet Coffee, if you're in this area, just by the lake in Old Quarter, Hanoi.